name is Colin, and I'm the Foreign Department Director of this company. This is my honor to introduce our company to you. Our company name is EasyMed Scientific Shenzhen Medical Corporation Limited, and we are a very dedicated OEM manufacturer of the guide wire. So, as we know, many of our samples have been validated by the world's big name companies like Boston Scientific, Terumo, Cook Medical, and so on. So we will continue to produce the hardware with both good quality and low price for our partner from foreign countries. So please follow me. Behind me, you can see a huge clean area, and it contains many workshops, including the extrusion room, and the assembly room, and other workshops. And this is a safety door. On my right side, the paths lead to a break room and a toilet. On my left side is our office area. So please follow me. Here in our office, we have lots of the R&D staff with rich experience. They are very good at customization. And on my right side, there are altogether 3 meeting rooms. So we just go forward. We'll pass the first window. Through this window, you can take a look at our assembly room. Okay, let's go. This is the second window. And through this window, you can take a look at our workshop. And inside this workshop, I'm sure they put some coating machine inside. And after I enter this door, we will enter the clean area. So the common people, they are forbidden to enter. Please follow me. Okay, please allow me to introduce the rooms to you one by one. This is a waste transfer room. And here, all the visitors, they are supposed to change their shoes here. It's a second safety door. And this is our laboratory for the R&D department. I don't think we should disturb them. This is the entrance to the clean area. After you enter this door, you will enter our production area, and I'm forbidden to come inside. Okay, we go forward. On my left side, the first door is for production office. The second one is for maintenance workshop. And then hello. This is our physical laboratory. If you have interest, you can come inside and take a look. Follow me. And you see they are doing a test here. This is the machine to do the torsion test. We will test how strong the cord wire is. Okay, we don't want to disturb them too much. Let's go ahead. This is our precision instrument room. You can have a look through the window. Okay, and this one is our chemical laboratory. You just come inside and take a look. We're very busy. And you see, for every batch of our product, we will take some samples and do the whole tests to make sure the quality reach the standards. So our customer, they never have the quality problem because we have the very strict procedure to follow. We'll make sure they are 100% qualified. Okay. And this warehouse is for the dangerous chemicals. This is the depacking room. And this one is the sample retention room. And this is the microbiology laboratory. You can come inside and take a look. Inside this room, there are altogether 3 different laboratories. This one is the positive control room. And this one is the sterilization room. This one is the microbial living room. So there are altogether 3 different laboratories inside this room. Okay, you follow me. This is the purified water machine room. You can just take a look. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. And wait a moment. This is our assembly room. We can find some machines here. And through this window, you can see our extrusion workshop. You can take a look here. Yes, you see, we put different devices here. And as I know, this one is the hydraulic press machine. They also have other machines here. This is one oven. And this is the second assembly room. Come inside. Inside this room, we connect the different guide wire together, and then after we sterilize the connected guide wire, we make them into one whole reel. Okay, so they're very busy, so let's go. another unpacking room. And for this one, it's a rough washing room. So normally our factory is quite busy. We have many workers busy with the orders. But the Spring Festival is coming, which is the most important festival for the Chinese. So that's why today you can see quite a few workers here. This one is the raw material warehouse, and this one is the secondary packing room. This one is the finished good warehouse. I mean finished goods warehouse. So there's a break room over there and a toilet over there. So now I think I have shown you around our factory, and you see by the end of 2027, I mean in 2 years' time, we will set up a second factory, which the size of the second factory is 3 times of the current one, and by then we will become the largest OEM manufacturer of guide wire, both in China, maybe also in the world. So, thank you very much for your time.